second amplifier, second giveaway. This time you're gonna see testing for the HCCA1500.4. What's the catch? The catch is we're bridging the channels, so channel 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So on the dyno you will see actually two ratings. You got to guess what was the certified output of both channels. We're gonna sum the numbers, and whoever is closer without going over the results will win the prize. Now the prize is gonna be the same HCCA 1500.4. Now, to give you a hint, we're gonna show you what the amplifier did in dynamic mode. So you're gonna have some idea, and then you'll have to go back and guess what it does on certified mode. We have 3 different giveaways, as you see in other videos. Your answers must be here on YouTube channel, not on Instagram, not on Facebook, but on YouTube. Only those answers are going to count. The winner, if by chances anyone wins or matches the XTR 1500.1 giveaway, and the same for the 1500.4, will not be able to win both prizes. He will win one prize, and then we'll take a winner for the second place. Will be the first place winner. So you cannot win twice. All right. Let's go on. Watch the video and give us your results down here. So let's do the test here. We're gonna try to do certified run, 2 channels at 4 ohms, which is the bridge resistance we should use. We're gonna start dyno, and as you can see on this side, channel 1 and channel 2. So let's wait for the results. This time we're gonna do the dynamic run. So let's choose here 2 channels. Again, 4 ohms because we're using the amplifier in bridge mode. So let's start dyno so you can see our results right below. Remember, you're gonna see 2 results, channel 1 and channel 2. Okay guys, the results are 994 per channel. Both channels through the same, and our end voltage was 1493 at 4 ohms again. The HCCA 1500.4 dynamic run.